Hello guys and welcome back again. In this video I will show you how to create your YouTube channel logo using only Photoshop. Now with that being said, let's get ahead and open our new file and click on file new and choose any custom template. If you want to create your own template, you can again change it from these numbers and change their values to what you want. Now let's create and voila. Now let's say for example you need a brand name. Let's check for brand name generator. Let's choose this one, and for example gaming. Now next auto and generate. From here, for example game arena, let's choose this one as our name. Let's pick it and put it over here. Now as you can see, I'm using the font that has been called Qatar 2022. It's actually the World Cup font, so if you want to use it as well, just write font Qatar 2022 and you will be downloading it. Now as a gamer, you need something like a console or something. Let's look for console.png. This one looks good. Let's use it and click on save, and now we drag it into our project. Oh, this one is not png, this one is actually gpg, so let's choose another one. Let's click on here, and now we choose something like this. This one is not png as well, and this one again is not png, so it's gonna take us so much time, I guess, to find our png picture. Okay, this one is not png, but I will show you a trick. Let's choose this one and then drag it over here, and now let's remove the background to make it png. How to do so, I've already made a video, but I will do it again for you guys. Now we choose this eraser and we just click, and we have removed the white background. Now let's drag it into our project, and voila, now we can resize it. But first let us get some good colors. How to choose good colors? We just click on Google again and go for colors palettes, and from here you will see a lot of colors. Let's choose like let's see this one. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, let's make it like that. We click on this one and let's click on overlay, color overlay, and then we pick the color and we change it like that. As you can see, it is now kind of the colors are like working together. Let's just make it a little bit smaller, so like that you can make your own logo. If you want to add other pictures to it, you can do so. If you want to make a border to it or something like that, yeah, like that, it looks better, so much better like that. Okay, let's add something else. I think, yeah, we can add something else in here to make it look so much better. For example, rectangle. Let's choose again this color, and from here this color. Let's make that like that. Okay, good. Now let's make it here black. Perfect. Now what can we add to this picture? First of all, let's just make this like that. All right, that's good. Let's drag this as well a little bit. That's perfect. We can add here I mean vlogs. Make it small and we put it here, and we add something else on the other side, which is gonna be games, and just like that. If you control both of them and then use let's just color each one alone. Let's choose this color for this one, and here let's make it black, I think, or let's keep it that way, or let's go back to the palette and again let's choose another color. Yeah, for example this one. Yeah, let's do this, and here we can do that like the same color we did in the other side. As you can see, now we've made this little cute logo for our channel. How do we save it in PNG without any background behind it? It's again pretty simple. We have only to go in here and remove, of course, the background. Let's let's just select this logo, and then click on image, crop, and from here we click on file and save as, save, and let's choose our PC, and from here we choose the PNG form, and it will be saved as a PNG form. You can use it over your videos or whatever you want. So if you guys stayed with me until this moment, thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.